No matter how good it looks, it tastes a lot better.
Hey, welcome back. I'm the Smoking Chef. If you like beef, today I'm going to show you how to make wine braised beef back ribs, and this will really blow your mind. Stay with me. Okay, so we're not going to start with the mise en place. We're going to start with the marinade today, and I want to show you, look at this beautiful beef back ribs. Some meat, nice marbling, and I've got about, well, I would say probably about 3 pounds, like this, and I'm going to marinate them overnight. And as you can see here, I didn't dice them small at all or medium. I diced them quite large because we're going to use them later, as I'll show you. So first we'll put the carrots. It's about a cup and a half of carrots, a cup and a half of celery, same thing, a cup and a half of onion, the garlic, brown sugar, thyme. I'm using dry thyme. Put in about 1 cup of red wine. Can't go wrong. What the heck, put a little more. Here we go. A little bit of light soy sauce. And of course, sriracha sauce. We like a little bit of heat. Worcestershire sauce. And of course, EVOO. A little bit of salt. And pepper. And I'm going to let this marinate once I put the ribs in here. And I'm going to let them marinate for 24 hours. The ribs go in, the meat down, so it can absorb all this goodness that's all around. Okay, so as you can see, I blew it, so my director provided me with a larger pan, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in first. Yeah, this is better. Women are so much smarter. Okay, now we'll put a foil on it. Okay, so here it is, ready to go in the fridge, and I'm going to put it here for 24 hours. But I will check it in 12 hours and flip them all around, make sure all that goodness goes all over those beautiful beef back ribs. See you later. Okay, and it's 24 hours later, and we've just taken them out of the fridge, and take a look at this. Look how nice they look. Look at that, the wine's done this beautiful job, give it a beautiful color, the marbling. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them from the pan, and I'm going to make sure that I dry them really, really well. There we go. Plenty of salt and pepper. And the pepper. Now we'll do the other side. We'll try the other side as well. And again, salt and pepper. And a lot of people take the silver lining off. I don't do that because the silver lining helps to keep the meat together. And I like these portions because I'll be able to cook all around them. Okay, and here's the marinade, and we're going to use this again in the cooking process. Putting the vegetables all. Here we go. Now we flour them well on all sides. Flour them because they taste so much better. Get the excess out of there. Then I'm putting this big pan on medium high with some EVOO. Let's say about 4 tablespoons. It's a big pan. When the olive oil has reached the smoking point, then I will put a few of them in at a time. I don't want to put too many. I don't want to boil them. I'm going to do it in 2 batches. That's the kind of caramelization that we need. Look at the beautiful fond that's down there. And now we put the vegetables in there. The ones that we use in the marinade. We want to saute them for about 4 or 5 minutes. Ready? And a little bit of salt and pepper. We flavor every layer. There we go. And now we're going to put 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, which is very rich in flavor and very deep in color. And it will enhance this meal. You work it in. I want it to be caramelized a little bit. Yeah, that's about ready. And now we will add the wine. Again, that was part of the marinade, if you remember. And we're going to let that evaporate quite a bit. And we get the goodness out of it. There'll be hardly any alcohol taste at the end. And when this has reduced to about 50%, then I will add my 3 cups of beef broth. And it's getting reduced nicely. We'll wait a couple more minutes. So the wine's reducing down nicely. And of course, when we use the flour, you know very well that the flour will thicken the sauce. And that's exactly what we're looking for. We're adding a little bit of thyme. I use dry thyme. And of course, we know that the wine will also deglaze the bottom of the pan that had that beautiful fond earlier, because we want to get that flavor into the sauce. It's about 50% reduced, and now I will add my 3 cups of beef broth. All right, let's do a little bit of taste test, see what it's like. Yeah, needs a little bit of salt, but other than that, vegetables in there. Beautiful. This looks absolutely divine. You see the water is about 3/4 of the way up. And now we will put parchment paper on top, because we don't want any of that steam escaping. Now we put the foil on. We have the oven already set at 300 degrees, and this probably is going to go for about 3.5 hours. This is going to go in the middle rack of the oven, and as you see, to be preventative, so we don't have to do any work, we put a little tray underneath to catch anything, just in case it spills over. All right, let's see. The fibers are coming off easily. Just try. Oh, melt in the mouth. Rice. You have to try this recipe. I hope you try this recipe. You're really going to enjoy it. In the oven, on the grill, and to you. From me to you, cheers. And remember, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Cheers.
It falls off the bone. Very, very good.